It's mail order sharpening request day again here at Get Sharp. We've been getting some really high-end knife sharpening requests lately. When someone's willing to ship their most prized knife all the way across the United States or sometimes across the world for me to sharpen, let me tell you, the work starts way before I get to the Tormek or the belts. Let's take a look at what's in these. Oh yeah. Oh, I already opened this one. Instructions. Yep, sometimes these mail order requests come with instructions. Not gonna put those on the internet. Kind of a personal thing, I feel. What do we got here? Oh, shoot. It's back. Man, you put out one video of sharpening Rex 121. Next thing you know, I'm like the official Rex 121 sharpener. Oh, beautiful, beautiful blade. Oh, the action on this one too. So this is a Para3, an S110V. He's got this thing dialed. Look at this. Oh, that drop action. Oh, I love it. The BenchMade. Ooh, wow, this knife is like a feather. I mean, this thing weighs nothing at all. Got the Tanto Bailout in M4. That's some good stuff. So we've got M4 S110V, and we already know all about that Rex 121. All right, let's see what's in this guy. Looks like we may have a bag within a bag. This is how you save money on shipping, folks. Bubble wrap stuff. It'll cost you 50 cents. So, grab two of them. Courtesy of the U.S. taxpayers of America, or the United States of America. Ooh, got a big old Spyderco box here. This is not what I was expecting, to be honest. There is a knife in here. Okay. Oh, wow. Holy shoot. Do you guys know what this is? This... Okay, now everything's coming together. We talked about a ceramic knife. I did not know it was going to be this. This, ladies and gentlemen, the MT40 Mule. Made from high-impact ceramic. This is some state-of-the-art stuff right here. Wow. It's so light. Holy cow. All right, I gotta take a quick break and show the guys on Discord what just came in. What a lineup. Well, looks like there's a new boss in town on terms of hardness. This is something. I'm gonna put this away for another day. See a little bit of a kiss here. I'll do close-ups in a minute. But we're gonna look for any little sharpening mistakes so we can clearly point these out to the customer before we touch these things. Yeah, we got a couple little kisses on the Ricasso.
On this one, looks like we've got a micro bevel. This actually feels quite sharp. And then we've got the BenchMade. The weight of this knife is something. Ooh. Oh yeah, a little Tai Chi, Crom McGraw combo there. Ooh, feeling powerful. I gotta go over every millimeter of these blades, the handles, with the jeweler's loop. One mistake on these blades could cost me hundreds of dollars, $500. So I wanna assess and identify any and all scratches, defects, prior to me doing any kind of work. There's been times where I'm working on a $300-400 pocket knife. Halfway through, I look and I see a scratch on the plunge line. I'm like, oh my God, what did I do? When did I do it? Reach out to the client, show them, and they're like, oh, that was there. I did that a long time ago. It's like, oh, thank God. So get that done ahead of time so you don't have a heart attack moment in the middle of your work. Apparently, I forgot to record the actual best test of this blade, but it came in at around 250. Not the dullest, but definitely not razor sharp. Sharpening a Tanto on the Tormix system, this is like sharpening two knives, essentially, is what you're doing. So you're gonna get set up. We're gonna sharpen the lower bevel first. We're gonna apex down here. And one thing that me and my client weren't super excited about with the current grind that was on it, the transition line. So right now I'm working, let's call it the lower bevel, and I'm not gonna go and try to sharpen the toe edge. Not right now. We're gonna apex down low. But between those two, there's a transition line, and it just didn't look good at all. Someone had sharpened by hand and it was just kind of fat looking. So the Tormix is gonna give us a nice sharp transition line. All right, it's time to cut out that toe bevel. Here we go. If you own this knife and you're watching, just close your eyes. But I'm gonna text a photo of this to my customer to freak him out a little bit. I'm determined to do this on the Tormix. Y'all know why. See my scratch pattern there? On the left side, I'm good, and then all of a sudden, it doesn't touch at all. That's interesting. There could actually be a bit of concave where that black is. So it's flat and concaves inward, so it's not touching. Not 100% sure what's going on there yet. It appears I forgot to hit record when I went off rip, but what I said was sometimes you just gotta dive in and go with your gut. I'm just working the tip here because almost immediately I was able to grind down here, but up here I wasn't. And this blade gets thicker. Like the geometry's a lot different on this blade from traditional blades. It's got more meat towards the point. And that's why it looks wider up there than it does down here. But my transition line here, oh man, that thing looks freaking perfect. And we're gonna hit a burr from end to end any second. I think this is gonna be the, I'm gonna skip the S110, that Para3. It's already 10 p.m. This day has been one of the busiest days of my life. We went all in on belts.
We got hooked up with a really good distributor, manufacturer. Negotiated some really good prices for the community. And literally went for broke. Spent all of our money. And I told the guys I would get this site up and running. Like, get the belts available to purchase today while I have so much to do. All these mail orders. Not only that, my local customers too. So we're gonna wrap up this Rex 121 here. And we'll do that other one on we'll do it with that ceramic blade. It's 10 p.m. I still gotta edit. My goal is to get this video out tomorrow for you all. It's gonna be a fun one. Tantos, man, they're difficult. That's gotta be the most difficult knife to sharpen on a Tormek. I'm gonna say so. All right, which one first? Let's do the Tanto. So this one was $285 to start. You know what? Let's hit it with the kangaroo real quick. $123. Interesting. I got the Rex sharper than the M4. Was not expecting that. Oh man, Tanto, Tormek. It's not the easiest combination. The other day we had a video where I want you to stick around to the end because I'm going to show you some close-ups of the bevel here, and I'm very happy. It's that transition line from here to here. You really want that to be nice and crisp to accentuate the Tanto. So I'm gonna do some close-ups for you at the end of the video. We're gonna be doing a giveaway too. I'm gonna tell you about that in a second, but like, what the heck? I scored lower on the Rex than I did the M4? How the heck does that happen? I mean, I guess this is the 5th KSAG-5 and Rex 121 I've sharpened in the last month. So I guess I'm just getting used to it. Oh, this thing's at 22 degrees. This one, by the way, 15.5. Had to kind of move fast. Couldn't go into those details on the video because I spent so much time on the Tanto. But yeah, this is the lowest angle KSAG-5 and Rex 121 that's come through the shop. Every other one was at 17. So you saw at the end I was using a different knife jig because I was like, maybe something happened to my jig. I don't know. So I swapped. Nope. It's all the same. All three of my favorite jigs were performing equally. And yeah, we're doing this giveaway. And I want you to win it through the entire month of April. Every video I do, you can do an entry. Okay, we're not doing just one per person. So you could get multiple entries. And I can think of a handful of guys that are going to have a lot of entries and have a really good chance at winning this. You saw at the beginning of the video, the Spyderco Mule in tungsten carbide. Probably going to dive into that thing tomorrow. And we'll have a video on that very soon. What angle should I put on that? I need feedback from people. I've been doing a lot of research today while juggling everything else. It's 10 o'clock right now, 10 p.m. I think I got time to edit this so you guys could watch it in the morning. Busy day because we had a friggin' half a pallet of sharpening belts arrive, and I promised everybody I'd get those on the internet available to purchase ASAP. And guess what? They're live. And my goal is to win your belt business. How? The most affordable belts you can find. If they're not, let me know. Let's talk. Check out these after photos.